Guys, we are experiencing extremely rough sea conditions here in the South Atlantic Ocean. It is a normal weather condition here because यहाँ पे अभी मानसून शुरू होने वाला है and we are following all the weather reports. But the vessel is rolling up to 15 degrees and pitching very extremely hard on the bow area. The anemometer is showing relative wind speed of 36 knots, and on the basis of this we calculate the true wind speed. Now as we are almost in the middle of the South Atlantic Ocean, we can see यहाँ पे कोई targets नहीं है, कोई ships नहीं है, because it is open sea and we get to see ships very rarely. And here you can see we are doing 9.2 knots. As per the present loading condition, we should have done at least 11 to 12 knots. But sea condition rough होने की वजह से we have wind from right ahead and you can see the sea splashing on the bow. So हमारी जो speed है वो कम है. This is a normal case because sea condition rough है and wind भी आगे से आ रही है. So it affects the ship speed. And here you can see we have already entered the South Atlantic Ocean. This is the position of the ship, जहाँ पे एक्टिस का कर्सर है, and we are about 540 miles away from Paranagua, जहाँ से हमने डिपार्ट किया था. So as per the Ignis, our planned route will be going all the way, touching south of South Africa and all the way to the Southeast Asia. Right now we have about 8,500 miles to go to the next destination, and presently the ETA is coming 27th April. But अभी speed change होगी जब sea condition ठीक होगा, तो definitely the ETA will going to change because we are not going to get the same weather all through the voyage. You can see the sky is completely overcast and we are experiencing wind force 7, and you can see the waves splashing on the bow area. Extremely strong. Mark, what do you think? How long we will be having this weather?
Maybe like a couple days, months.
3 to 4 days. But I think it's getting better now because the atmospheric pressure is rising. Friends, here you can see we have some water bottles kept here on the alleyway near the stairways. This is called a ship's bond. ये bond locker में जाते हैं. इसमें soft drinks, chocolates, wafers, water bottles. This is all for the crew. They can purchase it, and for their refreshment, we always order this when the vessel reaches any port. So guys, our cadet here is checking our self-contained breathing apparatus, also called SEBA, जो हम fire fighting के लिए use करते हैं. This is the oxygen bottle. Actually, it is not oxygen; it is air bottle. And this you can see is the mask and the pressure gauge. So this is also a routine checking of the SCBA set and the fireman's outfit, which is kept inside this red pouch. So friends, here you can see we have some engine parameters here, and our chief engineer is on command. He's one of the best chief engineers I have sailed with, very helpful and a very respectful person. अभी तो यार मौसम पहले से तो बेटर है.
हाँ सर, 2 दिन से तो बेटर है. आज थोड़ा रोलिंग कम हो रहा है और स्प्लैशिंग भी थोड़ा कम हो रहा है.
इवन विंड स्पीड भी थोड़ी कम है, बट फिर भी है ना,
विंड स्पीड तो टोटली मैक्सिमम कम हो गया सर आज.
ठीक है, इट विल बी बेटर आई थिंक.
यस सर, यस सर. 2 दिन में तो मोस्टली ठीक हो जाएगा लगता है.
So Mark, how long you think this washing will take?
This one, sir, I think maybe we can finish in 1 day.
1 day. So ETO is already coming. Maybe we need to fix this plug.
Yes, sir. We need to fix this up there. Then
Third to lower anything inside? Are we going to lower something inside?
Yes, sir.
What?
Just straighten.
Lowering or picking up?
Picking up.
Okay. Friends, this small hatch is called the engine room skylight. ये deck पे खुलता है, and it goes to the engine room. There you can see we have a sea chest strainer, जो अभी हम इसको नीचे से ऊपर उठाने वाले हैं, and we're going to do cleaning, and we will use this provisions crane to pick up. You can see our deck crew is having a very tough time in this rough weather because the winds are very strong. It is very difficult to stand. Even एक दूसरे की बातें सुनना बहुत मुश्किल है because जो हवा की स्पीड है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है और आवाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है, and they are not able to communicate properly also. But still the work is going on, and I admire all my crew members for their hard work and dedication. Our galley staff is also finding it very difficult to do the cooking because the ship is rolling and pitching very heavily. So यहाँ पे जितने भी utensils पड़े होते हैं and सामान है वो नीचे गिरता रहता है. So this is a very challenging part for the galley department, and it is very unsafe also because अगर उनके ऊपर कुछ गिर जाए then definitely they are going to get injured. And our messman and chief cook, but they are cooking and preparing food continuously for the crew. So this is one of the toughest part of the ship's job, that even if the weather is rough in any kind of sea conditions, the cooking has to continue. Friends, we have been experiencing extremely rough sea conditions and heavy weather since the time we have departed from Brazil. We had received the weather reports, but it didn't look that it will be so bad. But still we are experiencing it, and we are trying our level best to continue working. We are expecting that the weather will be fine within a few days because जो आगे की weather reports हैं वो यही बता रही हैं कि sea conditions improve होंगे and wind speed थोड़ी कम होएगी. So we are expecting that within few days that the sea and the weather conditions will be better. इस rough sea condition की वजह से काफ़ी problems आई हैं because we are not able to work properly on deck, and our few crew members, they were feeling seasick. किसी को vomiting हुई है, body ache शुरू हो गया है and headache होता है. So this is a normal problem. It happens especially for the youngsters who have just taken up this career. But still we have to transport the cargo safely from the port of loading, and we are on it. Still we have about 35 to 36 days more to reach the next destination. As per the present weather conditions, we have advised our crew members not to go on the deck so that they can be safe inside. So friends, very soon we are hoping that the weather will be fine, and we will get on to our normal daily routine and continue working as we do always. So this was it, guys. I hope you like my today's story. Please do subscribe to my channel. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.